To withdraw cash from a Citibank ATM, start by inserting your Citibank debit card into the slot. You will then be prompted to select your preferred language, with English as the default option. Next, enter your 4-digit PIN. After a brief moment, the ATM will present you with a range of options. Select Withdraw to proceed. On the subsequent screen, choose the account from which you wish to withdraw cash, in this case, a checking account. You will then be asked to specify the amount of cash you want to receive. The ATM will inform you that it only dispenses $20 and $100 bills, with a daily limit of $1,000. Once you have selected the desired amount, the ATM will process your transaction and dispense the cash. A summary of the transaction will be displayed, and you will have the option to save the transaction for future use in a fast cash scenario. Finally, confirm the transaction one last time to complete the process.